Step 1. Upload a preferred image to ChatGPT. Step 2. Copy and paste the prompt on this video description to ChatGPT. Step 3. You can edit the prompt with your preferred details of the action figure you need, and you can change this as you like. You can add more accessories and describe the packaging. You can also name the figure with any name you like. I have given hints for you inside the brackets of the prompt, so you just have to replace those. Step 4. Hit enter to start generate your action figure. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to generate. Now you can download it to your device. I have given 2 more different prompts on the description. Try them and enjoy.